Vocabulary Quiz 6.17. Number 1. The presidential candidates held 3 blank to discuss their different positions. Bungles, debates, reigns, exhibits. 2. I saw a blank about mummies at the History Museum. Realistic, composer, exhibition, reign. 3. I told Marvin that his fear of being attacked by giant flying hippos was not retaining, composed, reassuring, realistic. 4. Grant blank his part of our group project so badly that we both failed. Exerted, composed, bungled, evaded. 5. Mr. Destroyer has blank as the World Wrestling Champion for 3 years straight. Reigned, debated, composed, bungled. Number 6. Which would exert the most energy? Sleeping, plugging in a light, running 10 miles, eating a candy bar. 7. A criminal who evaded the law was taken to jail, made fun of the police, worked for the police, did not get caught. 8. Which of the following is an example of the word reassure? A mother telling her son he'll be okay after he falls off his bike. A teacher punishing her student for talking during class. A father teaching his daughter how to play soccer. A student studying late into the night for a difficult test. Number 9. What would you use to compose a letter? A mailbox, a computer, a stamp, an envelope. And 10. If you retain memories from a trip, it means you hated everything about the trip, can't remember the trip, still remember the trip, loved everything about the trip.